What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to teach you on how to fix Roblox not installing on your PC. First thing you need to do is to install the Roblox installer, then run it as an administrator. To do that, right-click on the Roblox installer, then select Run as administrator in the pop-up. Now check if it will start to install, but if not, then maybe your Windows firewall is blocking the app. Try to disable it temporarily. Click the search button below and search for Allow an app through Windows firewall. Next, click the Change Settings above. Then click the Allow Another App button below. Click on Browse. Then navigate to the Roblox Player Installer app on your computer. Then select it. Click Open below. And click Add Now. Once you have added the app, then check the box on Private and Public. Then click OK. Now once you're done with that, try to run the installer again and see if it is able to install it successfully. If the problem persists, then try to enable it again. Now next, you need to re-download the Roblox installer again in their official website and run the downloaded installer on your computer and see if that will work. If the problem persists, then try to check if there is a problem with the Roblox server. Open a browser on your computer and then search for Roblox server status. Now open this website and it will show here if the server is operational or not. If it shows that it is having a problem with the server, then that's why you're having the issue. Also on why you can't install the Roblox player. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.